Accessible only by boat, Saxon Lodge offers an authentic experience of the world-famous Amazon rainforest. Nestled within 2,000 hectares of pristine forest, Saxon Lodge offers an immersive escape into one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. From the forest floor to the treetops, the Eco Lodge has protected its incredible wildlife here for more than 20 years, giving you access to more species than you can ever imagine. And if you're looking for adventure, you can cross the forest canopy on a 36-metre high suspension bridge. Take a ride in the observatory crane. Or climb up to the highest branches of the giant kapok tree and get your own bird's eye view of the mighty Amazon.